Be on host, Blake. Be, of course, host 2 pieces. What? The actual, like, glitched. I have no idea. Ratster, don't try and melee me. I know, and then I popped your head. Yeah, maybe. If they're lucky. And what do we say, Kyle? You're getting carried by Ratster. Oh! Oh! Tranny's a pro. Get at him. I got this all on my little webcam. I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna put a Ratster. Me? Kyle, I've recorded for 1 day. How could I have left? I've never played with you. Wait, you almost. Ooh, is that the win? I think it is. No, he's doing fine. But what did we say? Kyle's getting carried. Not a surprise. So you live closer. You live 10 times closer to me than I do. I never complain about connection ever. Oh shit! Good headshot. You got 2 kills, but they're lucky. Shit. Sorry, Blake. That's my bad. Watch, Blake's still gonna clutch it. Oh, you missed his shot. You guys suck. He was 4 pointing for like an hour. As we're just blowing dicks, missing shots. I don't know. I think you were at like 90 points before. Oh, 91 you were at before. So you got 7. I am. I got stuck on a wall. Back off, Blake. Back off. Yeah, I'm here. He's right as a beat. Alright, sorry. Hey, what happened? You guys thought you were a pro because you beat us on our rows. Yeah, it's okay, because you got your headshots. I have 3 headshots this map. Yeah, I was. Actually, I'll give you that. Oh, obviously. But it's already doing enough. had to reload. That's fucking stupid. Yeah, because you're bad and we're good. There's a difference. I'll take it. Easy. Well, yeah. We're just too pro. That's the problem, I think. I wasn't host. Was I host? It is. Yeah, I'm not talking shit to you. Sorry. Sorry, that's it. But the thing is, we are good. And the difference is, we're good. Kyle, where's your head at? Thank you. Wait, we let him get one more round. Hey, I called it 10-5, remember? So. Well, I have like 6. Oh, Blake, they're not coming here. They're like doing something sneaky. They're going up, I think. Okay, then we'll wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Alright, I'll watch it. Hey, wait, Blake, kill me so I can spectate. Blake, kill me so I can spectate. I don't know. Kyle, come 1v1. Come 1v1, Kyle. Blake's waiting. Kyle, come on. Let's go. I'll take it easy. No, he killed me. He killed me, dude. No, Blake killed me. Holy shit, Kyle. That's the farthest headshot I think I've ever seen. Dude, Kyler's one-shot headshot me from so far away. No, but I wasn't even red at all. I like, but they don't even melee anymore. Blake, are you not playing? Because they're rushing me. And I don't like it. Hey, let me up. Let me up. What are you doing? My partner's not playing. Yeah, but we let you guys. We didn't. Yeah, we gave you. Yeah, yeah, but I killed myself. Go, baby. The video is about to end.